Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images using Midjourney AI. First of all, you have to head over to the Explore Discoverable Servers option and then type Midjourney. Right now, we can select it as it is the first featured community. After you join the server, you can go ahead to the newbies channel and type /subscribe. And it will give you a personalized link where you can sign up to your paid trial on Midjourney. Keep in mind that you cannot use the free version anymore as they cancelled it. After you're done signing up, you can either start generating images in these newbie rooms, or you can add the bot to your own server by clicking on the Midjourney bot and clicking the Add to Server option. We already have it added, so we don't really need to do that. To generate images, you're going to type /imagine. And in the prompt area, you're going to type what you want to generate. After it's done generating the image, you can either hit the U1, U2, U3 or U4 option correlating to these four images to upscale them, or you can hit the V1, V2, V3 or V4 option to make more versions of the selected image. For example, the first one, we want 4 more images like this one, so we can hit V1, or if you want to upscale any one of them, you can hit the options which have U on them, for example U4, and it will give us an upscaled version of the fourth image. As we can see, we clicked the V1 option and it generated us 4 more images using the first image that we generated over here. Now, if you like any of these, you can either hit V4 again to generate 4 more using the specific version, or you can click the buttons which have U on them to upscale and download your image. After it's done upscaling, you can click the image and hit the Save Image As option to save it onto your computer. Now, if you're having any difficulties generating the prompts of these images, you can head over to the Midjourney prompts area and it explains how to use prompts. For the basic prompts, it's just prompts and then describe what you want to generate. But if you want to do something advanced, you can paste your image URL first and then describe what type of image that you want to create and the parameters of it. It can change how the image generates and aspect ratio, models, or upscalers. But keep in mind the parameters have to be at the end of the prompt. We can try that over here using a random image. After sending your image, click on it and right click and copy the image address. After that, you're going to type /imagine again. For the prompt, you're going to paste the image first using Ctrl V or Command V. After that, give a space and type what you want to add onto the image. And give a space and you can add the aspect ratio of the image that you want to generate. For example, 16:9. You can give a space and also type V5 so it uses the Midjourney version 5 to generate your image. Hit enter and wait for it to generate your prompt. And here we have our generated image using the more advanced layout of prompts. As we can see, it generated exactly what we wanted because we followed the prompt's layout. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.